Right, okay, so obviously the setup is looking way better. Remember, I always need to be able to, especially in this first few weeks, I need to check on the side-on angle, please, so I can check any lateral hip movement. Right, so let's have a look. Setup looking great. Takeaway awesome. Club face fantastic. This is all looking much neater. Posture lines great. Loving this. Real solid. Okay, and then you don't need to go any further than this. So as you get here, stop your arms. Your arms are just moving independently without the shoulders. There's no need. Okay, stop here. Ideally, let the club sit on your left thumb, but it doesn't matter for now. Just stop there and then start the left leg drive. Okay, we don't need that move there. All of those moves there are unnecessary. Okay, and what it does for us is just get us slightly above the plane. Okay, so we're slightly above and outside here. And that obviously means we're just slightly across that golf ball. Okay, but we don't need to fix it down here. Okay, we can fix it by taking out those moves there. Okay, so we just stop there, change direction. We want that club to fall that way, and the elbow to get pulled in here. And then the arms, this will all be a byproduct. And then the arms will swing straight down in that slot instead of getting kicked outside the line like that. Okay, so it's more of a synchronization, okay, and swing path issue. It's not a plane issue. Okay, but what we've been working on, the first point, the setup, the leg work, and the posture, okay, it's starting to look really, really good. Okay, and I have to say, much better right side release. Much, much better. This is starting to really, really look good. Hello, my superstar. Thanks for the video. Cool. Wow, it's really looking good. I do need to check this angle, please. I just need to make sure there's nothing happening there and nothing happening here. Okay. Obviously, it looks better, and the club doesn't seem to be reacting in any way. So it should be good, but I just need to check. All right. And then obviously, do need to check the driver as well. So I do need a lot more towel drill, please. Okay, through the bag this week. All right, all irons, towel drill, towel drill, towel drill, even driver, towel drill. Basically, it's very, very close to what we want, okay, which is very exciting. So setup looks fantastic. All right, that takeaway, brilliant. Getting to here, perfect. Okay, and then once we get here, the shoulders are finished turning. Okay, this is unnecessary movement. Okay, and all it does is disconnect our arms and club from the torso, from our pivot. Okay, so it's completely unnecessary. And basically what's happening there, okay, and it is what we want, okay, we want to then drive the downswing with the hip rotation, the torso, and that release. And I have to say that right side release is just looking fantastic. Okay, but if we then get this too disconnected, sort of too high and too far away from the torso, then as we fire, we should have hit, and the club is still there. So one of two things happen. Either you go underneath it, okay, or what you're doing, you get it kicking outside because of the early rotation. It's early rotation relative to where your arms are, okay? But it's only early because the arms are traveling too far without the torso on the backswing. All right, so I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, basically, all right, a lot of towel drill. Okay, and then we're going to do stop drill. Okay, now, stop drill is not pause drill. So don't have a pause. Stop. I need you to stop dead for 2 seconds. Okay, and you're going to count, and I would advise you, I would count out loud, okay, in the beginning. Okay, so we want to go up to the top, 1, 2, and then when you hit it, you concentrate on starting from there. Okay, so the downswing starts from there, and as you've been working on, finishes here and here. Alright, so this starts the downswing, okay, and this right hip and right shoulder finish the downswing, okay. So 1, 2, and start that downswing from there. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and off we go. Okay. Don't hit them as aggressively as that. I'm just very excited because of how good your progression is so far. Really, really, really fantastic. Okay, so towel drill, stop drill. Okay, and then slowly start feeling that as your arms and club get here. Okay, no independent lifting and moving. Okay, as your arms get there, okay, stop and resist, set the club, and start with that left hip. Okay.